Hey guys, good morning. It's Rhonda. Happy Saturday morning. So I made breakfast. I made a smoothie that had moringa, chia seeds, celery, lots of fruits, ginger. But before I have my smoothie, I'm going to go ahead and have my lemon water. So every morning I have lemon water, which is very good for you. So I'm going to do my lemon water. And then I do oatmeal. I think I'm the only person in America that eats raw oats. It's kind of crazy, but I really love it. But I drink a lot of water during the day. But that's just my favorite thing. I love raw oats. I don't like it cooked. I know it's kind of weird, but it's healthy for me. It's doing everything that I need for my body. Don't forget to go to Rat Event 1 and subscribe to my channel where you'll be able to see a lot of recipes, a lot of entertainment, floral arranging, food, all that good stuff. Have a good day.